The tiny chip powering your phone, laptop, and even your gaming console is hiding secrets that will blow your mind. What makes the CPU, or central processing unit, the unsung hero of modern technology? Stay tuned to uncover the fascinating world inside this microscopic marvel. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects reveal their extraordinary stories. Today, we dive into the heart of modern computing, the CPU. This small but mighty component is the brain behind every digital device, from smartphones to supercomputers. We will explore its origins, its evolution, its cultural impact, and some jaw-dropping facts you probably never knew. By the end, you will see why the CPU is not just a piece of silicon, but a cornerstone of our digital age. Let us get started. The story of the CPU begins in the mid-20th century, when computers were massive machines filling entire rooms. Back then, computing relied on vacuum tubes and mechanical switches, slow, bulky, and power-hungry. In 1971, a game-changer arrived: the Intel 4004, the world's first microprocessor. This chip, no bigger than a fingernail, packed 2,300 transistors and could perform 60,000 operations per second. To put that in perspective, today's CPUs handle billions of operations in the same time. The Intel 4004 was born out of a need to simplify calculators for a Japanese company. But it sparked a revolution, shrinking computers from room-sized to desk-sized, and eventually to pocket-sized. The secret here? Integration. By combining thousands of tiny components onto a single chip, engineers created a brain that could think faster and fit anywhere. Fast forward to today, and CPUs have undergone a mind-boggling transformation. Moore's Law, named after Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, predicted that the number of transistors on a chip would double every 2 years, increasing power while shrinking size. For decades, this held true. The Intel 8086 in 1978 powered early PCs with 29,000 transistors. By 2025, chips like AMD's Ryzen or Intel's Core Ultra series boast billions of transistors, enabling everything from AI to virtual reality. But it is not just about more transistors. Innovations like multi-core processors, which pack multiple CPU brains onto one chip, allow your device to multitask, seamlessly think streaming, gaming, and browsing all at once. Another secret: clock speed. Early CPUs ran at 740 kHz. Modern ones hit 5 GHz or more, processing data at lightning speed. Yet the race for smaller, faster chips faces challenges. As transistors shrank to near-atomic sizes, heat and quantum effects threaten performance. Enter innovations like 3D stacked chips and advanced cooling systems, keeping the CPU evolution alive. CPUs are not just tech, they shape our world. They power the internet, enabling social media, streaming, and global communication. They drive industries from medical diagnostics to space exploration. The Apollo guidance computer, which helped land humans on the moon, had a CPU equivalent to a modern pocket calculator. Today, CPUs and supercomputers model climate change or crack genetic codes. They have democratized creativity, letting anyone edit videos, design games, or code apps from a laptop. There is a darker side. The CPU race fuels geopolitical tensions, with nations vying for chip-making dominance. Supply chain shortages, like those in 2021, exposed how dependent society is on these tiny chips. Every phone call, every Netflix binge, every self-driving car CPUs make it happen. Let us lighten things up with some wild CPU facts. Did you know a modern CPU's transistors are so small that 100 million could fit on a pinhead, or that making a CPU involves over 1,000 steps, using lasers and chemicals to etch circuits finer than a human hair? Here is a quirky one. The term bug in programming came from a 1947 incident. When a moth got stuck in a computer S relay, causing a crash, engineers taped it into the logbook, calling it the first actual bug. And get this, CPUs generate so much heat that high-end gaming PCs use liquid cooling systems, like mini radiators, to keep them from frying. Oh, and if you stacked all the CPUs made in a year, they would tower over Mount Everest. These little chips are full of surprises. The CPU is more than a piece of hardware. It is a testament to human ingenuity. From its humble beginnings in the 1970s to powering the AI revolution today, the CPU has reshaped how we live, work, and play. Its secrets lie in its ability to shrink, speed up, and adapt, all while remaining invisible to most of us. Next time you pick up your phone or boot up your PC, take a moment to appreciate the tiny chip working overtime to make it all possible. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of CPUs, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects that shape our world. Drop a comment below. What other tech would you like us to explore? And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching Objectified, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. We will see you in the next ones. Stay curious.